There's a big ass iguana right there. I just walked up on. I didn't see that, but I'm going the other way. These right here are the ROADWIRE Chevy Cruze leather seats. I bought these a while back, and I was going to install them myself, but I never got around to it. The leather seats that GM usually installs on all their vehicles when you upgrade or you want the leather package. So these are the leather headrests. These are the back seats. This is for the dashboard, the cutouts for the dashboard. Lay these underneath, fold them over, put glue, and just nail them down. Those are the seats. The bench seat, that's the back seat, and these are the front seat, the driver's seat right here at the bottom. Sort of like those Katzkin upholstery. Pretty much like the same price. So yeah. There's not too many videos showing how to do this on this particular car. Okay, so there you go, you got two headrests. I'm about to change these over to leather. So yeah. Squeeze the foam in to get it over the sides. Left, right. Left and right. Gotta somehow squeeze this on here. Obviously, a professional would put this on and they would just squeeze everything together with some vacuum. They'll put a bag around it and vacuum it down. But these are pretty nice and solid. I mean, slippery on the inside of here, so you could probably just slip it over, but you will have to push in really tight on the sides here to get it over on one side, and on the top too. It's not that much cushion in here anyways, so that it's not like you gotta squish it all the way down. So pretty much going to be trying to fit it over and compress this down as you pull this over. It's going to be really tough, but you gotta try it to get it in there. Alright, so I got it on, and you can see here, you're going to have to push this over and try to get it into the holes. As you can see here, the holes are right here, so you got to keep pulling it into. It's pretty tough. This is really tough. I'll leave the two ends out. Put this in first. There we go. We got it snapped in. On this side, I'll just push it in until it grabs onto the edge. You'll feel it snap in place on camera. So I'll lift that up a little bit. And then this side here, I'm going to have to fish it down in there as well. Right there. This headrest got ripped. So this headrest is on fully. The wrinkles, you can just take a heating gun or put these on off camera because I don't want to rip it again. So 1 down, 3 to go. Right, so how I did that one, just flip this whole thing out. Okay, so I got the front headrest. This is the one with the button on the side, and it kind of splits off right here.